So today I'll be performing the COMCIT. This is a hydrating anti-aging treatment with microneedles that cause trauma to the skin, that help renew collagen and elastin cells to bring them to the surface to plump out any fine lines. It's also good for premature aging as well as normal aging. So we'll start today by doing a double cleanse. This is to remove any makeup or any products that may be on the skin to prepare it ready for the COMCIT. So now I'm going to apply some serum. It's the infusion serum, which is full of stem cells. It's going to help with collagen and elastin. So this is the dermal roller. It has hundreds of little tiny needles which cause microchannels into the skin, which helps push the infusion serum deeper into the skin. As I'm using the roller, it's applying serum and it's pushing it into the microchannels that we're creating. So this treatment is a comfortable treatment, but they will feel like a tiny little scratch. So during the treatment, the skin will start to look red. This is a normal reaction. I'd recommend a course of 3 to 6 for best results. This is a good treatment to go along with microdermabrasion beforehand. You can also use it with dermal planing. So now I'm just applying some more of the serum. Then I'm going to use the oxygen to push it into the skin and do some plumping techniques. So the areas that I've just done correction work on, the client may see instant results from that, but it is an ongoing process, which is why we recommend 3 to 6 treatments over a 3 to 6 month period. So this is the oxygen therapy, which I'm going to use to push the serum deeper into the skin. It's also going to help hydrate and plump. So the oxygen therapy feels quite cool against the skin, and it's actually going to feel quite soothing after having the needle treatment. So this is pure oxygen, which is antibacterial, so I'm just going to push it right deep into the skin. You don't have to go in lines, you can use circle motions or backwards and forwards. It's totally up to what the client prefers. So after this part of the treatment, the skin is going to feel more taut and be more plump. With this machine, if you have any other kind of skin concerns, as acne for example, there is different serums you can use. With this treatment, there is optional masks, but today I'm going to use a Flint plus Flint enzyme mask, which contains fruit acids and clay, which is going to be an exfoliator as well as deep cleansing. So I apply the mask all over the face. The client might feel slight tingling, which is perfectly normal for this mask. So I'd leave this mask on for 15 minutes. Now the mask has been on for 15 minutes, I'm going to remove it and finish with the crystal clear products. Now I'm going to ask the client to take a deep breath in so I can spritz her face with the tonic. Take a deep breath, please. Now I'm going to apply the skin repair serum with the skin brightening complex. So after this treatment, it's important not to wear makeup for 48 hours. It's also important to avoid any heat treatments such as saunas and hot showers, and to avoid the gym for 48 hours. It's also important not to use any glycolic products for at least a few days after. After this treatment, it is important not to use any products that may contain any acids for 3 to 5 days afterwards.